just acquired this gorgeous Jaguar. It's the XF 2.2 diesel, gleaming black, absolutely lovely condition. Rear park distance control. Boot area, absolutely lovely condition. Drives absolutely superb. Full black leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, electric seats. $92,238 miles. Satellite navigation, DAB, media pack, climate control, USB and AUX, cruise control, paddle shift on the gearbox. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.